So, this is pitching sa startup weekend. You will be given 60 seconds to pitch. What you will pitch is first, you cite a problem, provide a solution, what you need. Pero normally, ang ginabuhat sa saban, kaya mag-insert sila diri sa ilang name. Pwede sa ka diri sa unahan. Depende ninyo. So, sample ha. Gaya ko adjective. Slippery. Slippery. Gaya ko noun. Noun. Floor. Floor. Okay. Ang akong product example, ang pangalan niya is slippery floor. Okay, magmula na ko. Tagal mo lang 5 minutes to think of possible product that you can pitch. Ang pangalan niya is slippery floor. Okay, slippery floor is a product that will make your floor shine automatically just by pointing your app to the floor. Example na ba? Okay? Or, unsa may problem na possible niya masolusyonan?
Moving chairs around.
Moving chairs around, mag-scratch ang floor. So, automatically, ang button na mo is, mag-apply lang ka ito, slippery floor na din siya. So, example lang, pitch. Gusto din, ibuhat, tingnan na na.
Timer.
Timer. So, inayin siya. Example. Hindi na move ha. Kaya normally, mag-fall in line na tana. Tapos, tana mo pitch, muli nga na, barog gina. So, barakag, baksin. Because it's really scary when you see 150 people looking at you, and there's this mga technopreneurs or other developers looking at you and said, okay, so kita mo support namin. So it's really scary. Kaya more about you take the center stage, you given 60 seconds to present something. So what I'm presenting is slippery floor. Okay. Normally, naging may 6 timer. Pag mingo sila move din ka sa stage. Pero pagaman, series din ka. 60 seconds. Wapa ka na human. Bisa move, naging ka. Wapa ka na human. Pero normally, kakita sa kasi mong time, kaya patubangan mo kanina. Patubang ako 60 seconds. So somebody from in the front row, maghatag siya mo lang timer, pero makita ka nga, 60, 59. So basta siya dapat. Example, my product is slippery floor. Okay.
Kailang. Alright, move!
Hi, my name is Ruben. You have a problem in your floors? Is it not slippery? Well, I have a new product for you. It's called Slippery Floor. The slippery floor will automatically shine your floor. And I will lead developers in developing this product. Building ka. Pero, the question is, in 60 seconds, unsa pa inyo pwede magbuhat? Mo na kung naka sa startup weekend, before pa lang if you have a product or services, dapat catchy na kayo na siya. Pero bang, pagbaro pa lang mo, kabalo na kasi mo istorya, di ka ma-waste of time. Imagine na, pila na ito kung minutes na ito i-plan. Okay? So this is...
take note, we realize now, so it only took him siguro mga 3-5 minutes to think about that idea, and then actually pitching that, half a minute lang. So you may think that 60 seconds is too fast. Actually, it's not. It's a lot of time. It only took him 30 seconds to do that. There's actually plenty of time for him to build more on the idea, make sure that it would really spike your interest and they would want to go for your idea. So 60 seconds is really a lot of time.
So, you will present 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, may mo gamit go, kung mo naman go, lakaw na rin mo. Tingnan yung puli sa time. Okay? Sir Tony, Miss Lai, Sir Ray. Ray? Rex.
Is it okay?
Yes. You will see ang timer mag-take yun.
It's okay. Mahuman na may pitch. Saan wala pa.
Okay. Pwede rin yung muna ang sipan yung Shopee. Okay? Okay! Are you ready? Okay, let's start the Startup Weekend Fire Pitch! So first one. First one!
Looking for a hangout place this every night. Bored, hot, hungry, thirsty. So here's one thing that's in my mind. Although it may be cliche, it's a cool project. And if you're up for a foodie, if you want to hang out and chill around, so contact any place or contact this cool project thing that is brewing around, hopefully. And all we need probably is a certain contact thing just to digitalize everything, like to order up or like meet up with people who are in that place and have fun just to kill the boredom at night.
Okay, name.
Marco.
Okay.
That's one challenge here in Tamil City. There's no such thing as a hub for the night for 24/7, like for yuppies and for youngsters like us.
Good afternoon, my name is Trey. So if for example, if you are not from this city, so that's the problem. So because we don't know where the places are, so I want you to download this app. This app is called Simple Tagbilaran. So what will be in this app is that you can find, if you click on restaurant, all the restaurants that are in the city, it will be listed into your app. And then if you want to find red light places and short places, then it's only the app. So what I need are developers, marketing, data entry, and the last one is the financer.
Good, good.
Okay, so my name is Nelson.
Ay, you can start it. G, go. Huh? Go.
My name is Nelson, and I present to you Easy Roamer. So actually, this I was just thinking about this when Tony was talking about malnutrition, like vitamins, lack of vitamins to Filipinos. So this is just like an upgrade for Luto.co. Was it Luto.co, where you can put in your meal or planned meals for the day, and then it will spit out the containing vitamins that the food has, and then it will be and then after that it will spit out a result for what vitamins you're gonna need for the rest of the day or that's lacking for your meal. Okay, that's
Hi, I'm Alvin. Do you have problems maintaining, updating, or creating your website? Here's a simple platform. It's like Canva.com from Facebook. Like you can just drag and drop your desired UI, GUI, and everything. So if you have problems with UI, you just need the built-in galleries of drag and drop UIs, and you can just submit that to your developer. So what I need is a developer and a UI UX designer. That's it.
Hi, I'm Shailene. Are you tend for getting products from Japan and having problems in getting authentic products from Japan? Here's the solution for you. Fast Japan. Experience the thrill and the excitement of shopping online as if you are just like doing shopping in shops in Japan. I need web and mobile developers for this application and also people with contacts from Japan and suppliers from Japan.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Christy, and if you have problem of spending your money, if you don't know where you're gonna spend your money, so I have my large tourism. So large tourism can help you choosing the right place for you. So in order for us to help you, we can give you information about our application, information about the places inside the application. So information that details, itinerary, and also the safety of your trip. So can we consider also this application can help you track you wherever you are in the entire world. So or else if you don't have any get any iPhones or any internet, we can give you some gadget that you can easily press the button for you to get track down.
Go.
I'm Sharna. I'm from Serbian Elementary. There are so many people who are waiting in a queue during meal time. So, as a product, I have here a food scanner that will easily scan your food, and it will total all the prices that will be payable. And I need a developer for this project. Hello everyone, I'm Michelle. We're looking for a beautiful place, an amazing place to live for vacation here in Bohol. I have a vacation here. It is called Samsumi. Here you can find beautiful places to live for vacation. I need a developer.
Hey, you here in Tagbilaran? You get a date? And you don't know where to eat? Just download our application, Accurate Joseph. Just type in your type of food you want to eat, and we will output the list of the nearest restaurant near you. Just sorted by the best and the nearest, the best food, sorted by the cheapest and the quality. I need everything.
Good day, everyone. So we see several Apple laptops here. So do you know that Apple I can make your Apple laptops 100 times faster than this? So all you need is fast Apple. So we have I have a software called Fast Apple. So it will boost your performance on your RAM, on your chipset, anything, hardware of your laptops and softwares. Also, included the transfer rate of your internet connection. So, all I need is developers and marketing people to set it up. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Defra, and if you're young enough or you're old, you're bored at home, you have your phone, your laptops, then here's an amazing game for you. It's called Efficient Government. We also know that efficient means to be effective, in which we can play with it, then you can create your own rules and test it in this app if the law here is effective for the government. So you can download this free in Play Store, and also for Apple users, you can download it in your site. I forgot, iTunes. Yeah, and I need amazing minds, students with amazing minds that can help me develop this. What about politicians? I can use politicians, but I'm testing and
Hello, I am Jason, and I'm gonna present to you the Rolling Stone. It is if you're a game addict, it is a game that you will skip all the Rolling Stone. Then, it will help. Just like now we Mola experience earthquake. It can help us to skip all the poly materials.
What do you need? Okay.
Sige, wala na? 5. Oh. Ayun, basig. Sampung mga daliri. Wala na? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, let's give ourselves a round. Okay, ano sa kapaspasan may tawag start of weekend? Imagine, example, there are around 150 people pitching, that's around 150 minutes or more than 2 hours. Puro na pitch. Malaki na sa paspas kayo, pero kinalagid na mo ka na
you need to stand out.
Stand out. You need to
think of a problem and think of a solution, right? So that's plenty of time. I mean, you're only given 5 minutes. You were able to pitch that, right? 5 minutes and you were able to pitch that, right? How much more if you're given a month or so, right? And by the way, just so we're clear, this is not what's going to happen at the Ganong Papel. This is just so that we can have a free-flowing set of ideas. Okay. But what actually is going to happen is that you will have your own ideas. You will bring it with you on a paper, and then you pitch. Okay. Depending on how many people are going to be coming in, but what you would want to make sure is that you would stand out. Meaning, dapat may dumandi mo. Because it's possible that there may be 60 people pitching the ideas. It's difficult to kinsabi ito siyang na idea niya na. So you wanna make sure that you stand out. So there were plenty of examples. Ashley mentioned that there was somebody that brought a red balloon, and there was only one person that did that. So obviously may dumandi siya, right? There was one person, and this was the first startup weekend. What he did, and the second startup weekend said. So what he did was the first startup weekend, he wore a very funny hat. Japanese guy wore a funny hat. So I remember siya. I remember siya even up to the second startup weekend. I remember siya siya because he was wearing the same hat, right? So think of something creative so that you would stand out. Para yung idea would be remembered, right? But good job guys. That's a very good start.
Just say something very quickly. Most of these have already been done, unfortunately. I know you're taking ideas, but most of them have been done. What I want you guys to do, look at this list on here, right? The stuff here is different. We're looking at genetic enhancements coming. You've got IQ increase. You can take a tablet, your brain will be better. You'll learn faster. Okay? Things like drones, the quadcopters, they're the ones that will go up and map out things automatically. Idea of a quadcopter, for instance, if you're on a beach and you see somebody drowning, the quadcopter will take out the life raft to the person drowning. It's already been done. It's being used. That's a useful way of doing stuff. So look through that. Look at gizmag.com. That's gizmag.com. Okay? It gives you some ideas of the new stuff that's coming. A lot of this, unfortunately, has already been done. This is some sexy stuff. Look, we've got medical monitoring, robotics, artificial intelligence, body modification. It's all coming. It's all on the web. Just look.
Ideas that I've been hearing is mostly about tourism, mostly about websites, mostly about mobile apps, right? That's all in good. That's a very good start, right? But the thing about this is that as you get to know and be exposed with like-minded people and read stuff like that, right, on Twitter, even if it's just internet, right? As you get to read more of those things and as you get to talk to people, whether personally or just on social media, on Twitter, that's where you get to be exposed on a lot of the other ideas. That's where, for example, me, before I joined Tech Talks, I knew that for you to start a business, you need capital, and for you to get capital, you need to talk to your parents, right? That's all I knew. Now I know that you can go to PLDT because they have Idea Space. You can go to Globe because they have Kickstart. Kickstart and Idea Space, what they do is that they look around the country, look for people like you, and fund those ideas. They will give you money to build those ideas as long as the idea is compelling enough. And something like those ideas, that's very new, something no one has talked about before, right? But the thing is, out of perspective, out of perception, it's very narrow because all we know is from what we know from school, from what we know of our parents, and from what we know sa immediate bubble. We need to expand, which is why these types of meetups are very important. Which is why, Ruben and I, we come here sometimes, right? Which is why it's important for you to really look around and really explore, right? Because by then, you get to think about those new ideas, right? Tourism is still important. Mobile apps, they're still very lucrative. Internet is still important. But I think there's still something more that we can do, right? Okay, so don't feel bad, for example, if for example, it's really just, why are we talking about tourism now? That's fine. We're just starting out, right? But this is a challenge for everyone. Okay? We need to expand. We need to think more. We need to think big. Okay? And it starts here. Okay?
And we challenge you to research. Do research online. Check tourism apps. Check the similar applications or websites so you will have lots of ideas about your project.
Yeah, you have plenty of time until start weekend. Plenty of time. And those types of feedback, if you notice, it's very critical and it's very frank. It's actually very helpful, although at first sakit siya paminawag, right? But those are very helpful, and those are the type of feedback that you would be getting on the start of weekend. We need those. We need those, right? We don't really need people saying, yeah, that's good, but the back of the mind is never gonna work. Right? So
just imagine that Tony is an investor.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
That's why he's asking
So
for
that's
the
why
free.
I've been in that situation, definitely.
Tony is an investor.
Yes. In the real world.
That's why Tony is looking at you.
That's right. But investing doesn't just mean money.
Tony, so do you have any comments on their pitches? Yeah.
Well, I had a comment earlier on that most of the things have already been done. I think that was. I've got my free. We've got 3 glasses there.
Yeah, but I think it's better if you can give them some comments on.
maybe
the
not
pitches.
so much on the ideas because they were really limited.
Right.
Just on how they delivered it.
Yeah.
I think all of them. All right. The delivery was okay. Some were shy. Some were. It's difficult. You know, you get to be good at talking. If you come and do it, go and talk at the local church, do whatever. But it helps. And to be an entrepreneur, you will have to stand up and talk to people. And I hated it at one stage. But maybe I'm better now. I'm not sure. But I think all of these ideas could be taken further. Right? That was my feeling. You can bolt in some of those things. Just out of interest, third sector is charity work. That's what we call it in England. Okay, so, and I know that the governor, for instance, wants people to move stuff forward here. There's so many opportunities. There's so many things. If you think of the whole as a country, think of all the things that's missing. There's a lot. And all of those people in Bohol, and some of the judges are from Bohol as well, they'll understand that kind of way of looking at things. And try and keep the ideas simple to start with. Right? If you're in a business and you're fighting battles, new things happen. If you're out of business, nothing happens. Right? It's a huge difference. Even just ticking over, it's enough to be able to do that. So what would I say from here? Push the ideas. Go a bit further. Because you know, the first one, well, Meetup, it's there already. Check your ideas on Google. Do it in English, do it in Tagalog. If you're saying maybe not, but check it. But English is the one to go looking. And put it in different terms as well. Try and get an idea. Yeah. So good luck, guys.
Thank you, Tony. Miss Lai, comments on the delivery?
Okay, on the delivery, yeah, there's so many who are naive.
Naive in Bisaya is?
Pang manggi, isa na, manggi ikugon, manggi ulawon,
So pale people.
Yeah.
Sense of pride.
Okay, anyway. There's one who stood up. As the delivery. Yeah. As the delivery, I will choose the delivery partner. The pretty one.
How she
The
delivered
police.
it.
Woo! It's because she's pregnant?
No. She had confidence. Right at the first day.
So you really understand what she's talking about, what she wanted.
So if it's based on delivery,
Alright, one Google Glass for you then.
Okay, so we've got a choice of a strange colour. I have no idea what that is. And a pink one. And a red one. Red one, right.
Your name,
Thank you so much.
I'm going to do
Fritzy. Fritzy.
Fritzy.
Yes.
Like Fritz shows. Remember na ba? I'm really bad at names, so I need to connect it with something.
Very good connection.
Okay.
My choice here, maybe something's going to get
Still
too
have
fast.
two, huh?
You still have two. My choice here for a Head and Shoulders the best idea was the game for efficient government.
Who's the official?
We have a government. It's Jeff, isn't it? So we got a strange one and a
Pink.
But why did I think it was good? Because I think the Philippines really good. It's not something that anybody else has got an idea of. And really you should put something like that into startups. It's like really well because the power of the internet undermines corruption. It pushes things forward.
Or it's like you're teaching people how the government works and how should the government be transparent. Maybe you can push that one.
Yeah, I definitely go for that.
That's a good concept. And imagine you've done that in less than 5 minutes. And we have still 2 prizes, including this one.
Then we have to agree on the final. Okay, I have another choice then for, I've got 2 more I can do, so I made 3. Number 2 was the pharmacy idea, because that is a definite problem. All these people standing, doing nothing. It could work. You have to talk to the pharmacy. In a queue and working out the queue. You see so many people sitting doing nothing in a pharmacy. It'll happen in banks. Somebody needs to do that. I know it was a fairly similar idea. Maybe if you target it just to one group of pharmacies, you might be able to do something better. I don't know. So unfortunately, you've got and finally, in no particular order, I have no idea what's in here.
It's a bag. Girly bag.
Oh, it's a girly bag. Okay, good. So it was the auto HIV. Especially after all the tents they're going to have left over when they're the chicken.
Okay, photo for the winners, please. Right there in front.
In front. And the judges. Channel, isn't it? Channel. Okay. Thank you. So, okay, balik na sa experience ha. How was it? Did you check experience? So at least you've already experienced more or less what's the feeling when you're in startup weekend. Mas na siya, mas intense siya. Basically, daghan kayo mo naglinya, mas daghan ng tao, then ang mga tao nakatutok lang yun.
And all of those guys, or majority of those guys, have prepared good. Some of them are going to be memorizing that. So I'm pretty sure, Kamo, you're planning on doing that side. So it's going to be tough, again. Real competition.
Especially on the net. It's dark pa with the ambience, the mic, and then the spotlight.
Before the fast pitch, grabe ang mga tao, kaya bang intense kayong feeling, kaya dagan kayong magsugod na ba? Magsugod na kaya na, nala sila mga bet. So kamudan, ganahan mo na mo yung mga cheering nyo, pagdala ng mga friends. Pero at least, mag-boost na inyong panda.
Yes.
Like the guy
yung mga classmate daw.
bitaw, mga
startup weekend. I-introduce ninyo time.
Tapos kaya common comment lang ha, sa mga nag-deliver. First, i-maximize ninyo yung time. So normally, basta nata-startup weekend, natubang na mo sa inyo yung time, so makita mo nagdagan yung time. Tapos pag zero na kayo na, lumingon tayo may move! Hawa na gimana. So di na umawa, dirahan mo na mo. So hawa na gimana.
Thank you for coming over, and then let's give ourselves a round of applause. And we should be lucky. Come to think of it, kami mga nag-una na isbuyan, wala yan yung opportunity before. You're so lucky na after senior graduation, may startup weekend, all these ideas kick-start, etc. and the technology. So make use of this because later on, para ninyo tanan. We're so fortunate to have mentors here. We have Sir Tony, we have Sir Rex, and then our imports. Come to think of it, they spent a time away from their homes, away from Cebu just to be with us. Let's honor again let's give our standing ovation for Sir Ben and Sir standing to that. After this, we'll have our photo opportunity, your picture. Okay. No, we should remember this is the first time na mahitabo in Bohol. And then there are only few cities in the Philippines, less than 10 pagani, na may chance na mahitabo ni siya. Now, it so happened na Miss Tina Amper na taga-Anda, Bohol, na usa sa mga lig-on nga collaborators in Manila and Cebu with the tech industry. Siya na musog to bring Startup Weekend diri sa Bohol para kita mo shine ta after sa ato ang di-adian na kalambi. Ma'am Pins. Anda. Oh. Taga-Anda Bohol. Part of the place. So, in short, there was a hidden agenda why it's Bohol. Because it's Pampina's idea na it should be Bohol now because we need to shine. So, come to think of it, this may not happen again next year or the next year. Possibly in other places pa. Okay. Kapupan ng Pilipinas. So, sa ato pa, we'll make use of this opportunity. It should be our time to shine. Whether freelancer, whether professional, whether student, or whether professor, or kinsa ba na involved in the tech industry, we should make use of this opportunity kaya kung naman siya mahitabo. If during the presentation this afternoon, naglibog mo kay, it was always, it's for business, and maybe as a student, ang atong upbringing is, di ba, go for a job, wala biya tayo, entrepreneurial mindset. Huwag kita ina sa atong parents, sa kinalang ma-entrepreneur ka. Wala ina sa atong eskwelahan na ma-entrepreneur ta, di ba? Di na ta, ma-engineer ta, ma-teacher, ma-nurse. Correct? So, sa ingon ganihan na is it the government creating the jobs? Actually, dili o ta. In either ang government kita should be entrepreneurs. All of us here, someday soon should be entrepreneurs. So to do that, we should start, we should go for the experience. Even if we have something in mind, wala pa ta kasabot, if it's viable for a business, we should go there for the experience because that first step will let you understand a lot. Okay? Why? The key things that will happen or should be the contributing factors during your pitch for you to be a winner, if you aspire to be a winner. Number one, it will be you. It will be your personality. Now, take note, wala na ninyo matest kay ang exposure is naara sa school, naara sa family, and naara sa inyong peers. But in the working environment, take it from us, kami mga veterano namin, naami sa mga corporate environments. We've had this experience of being involved in teams. And a team has to be a collaborative model na kinahanglan na support each other. Kung ang imong personality dili mo blend in sa team, maski usa pa ka brilliant ang imong idea, kung dili ka proceed ang team, kayo happen to be the problem in the team, i-kick out you ka sa project na imuha, apilan. So it is the situation in the real world. In the Startup Weekend event, you will know, you'll be able to gauge your personality, how you're able to contribute, how you're able to middle with others, how are you bringing things to the table, kasi talents o skills, kana mahibaw-an mo in the exposure during the event. Number two, ang inyong team effort, usa na sa success factor sa kana na ang inyong achievement. You had pain points already nga gihanaw, but do a lot of research. You can go TED Talks, you can visit SlideShare, you can check on the apps sa Android, sa iOS, you can go websites, you can check on, you can Google innovation, you can go McKinsey. There are a lot of sites out there. There are a lot of resource materials na inyong i-check para lang to polish your idea. Kung gusto mo, you can check on Startup Weekend, Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Israel. Then you'll be able to see sa ilang mga projects before. If wa mo kay confidence sa imuhang giun ako na. So you do your research because it is going to be a very plus factor. Labi na ninyo, maybe you're hoping for bigger jobs pa aside from this experience right now. Tiyaw mo na kung you happen to be one of the winners of the whole Startup Weekend and it's in the global website. Diba lahi na na experience? Or you'll be featured in the Bohol Chronicle, the winners of the Bohol Startup Weekend. Or you're there in the National ICT Council Confederation of the Philippines, the winners of the following with the apps, with the solutions that they're conceptualizing. So it will be your chance. Diba? So ayaw dyan o sige, do your research. Kung gusto galing mong mag-build your team now, after this, you can do it. If you want to have mentors para mag-practice na mo, na yung critique, na yung polish, na yung help, do it because it will make you be prepared for what's going to happen in the Startup Weekend. Ano ka natawag ng okay? Ano man? So man, nahadlok, ikulbaan, excitement? That's it! That's it! That's it! That's it! Okay. So I've mentioned about the you, I've mentioned about the team, the pitch, the pain point. Meaning ko say, kung sa may problema, nga i-address by a solution. Because a business is solving a solution. Nga nung matag Coca-Cola. Because giuhaw ta, and then kung gaitaw oily food, we will crave for something na mo tabang anak. So there is the pain point, and there is the solution. Diba? Waman tani palit og Coca-Cola kay nutrition information atong giagan. Correct? Yes. Okay. Now, UX. The UX is very important. Why? There is coding for the 2 days after the pitch. So part of the prototype assessment is how user-intuitive is your design. Whether it's a website, a mobile app, whether it's Android, iOS app, the UX is very important. How you design it to be very comfortable and beautiful for the user. It will be a plus factor in the prototype presentation. So don't forget that the functionality and the UX, so the graphical interface, kanitanan, will be important in delivering your pitch. I've seen some projects during the thesis presentation. There were brilliant ideas, but they failed on the PowerPoint presentations, they failed on the prototype, so dili ma-appreciate ang idea na gusto ipakita because the deliverable is not so nice. So you should aspire for it if you want to be standing out in the presentation, not necessarily the winner. Okay. Please, after this, if you're not part of Tech Talks, research Tech Talks Bohol and be a member. So sa inyong Facebook page, just join there. Why? There will be so many updates from now on until that event. So kinahanglan na amo because pag-cascade si Miss Ashley, critical information or very important information dapat updated mo of these details. If you want to join the weekly events, possible. And then you also check the Bohol ICT Council. If you want to be there, just like it. Para kami will have an idea. Maybe you're one of those interested because we want to improve the membership sa Bohol ICT Council, and we will have more events. For example, Ilans. He wants to be here to conduct a full-blown presentation about Ilans, about Odes. I've talked to Fitz also, so 199 Jobs. They're interested to be here in Bohol and do the symposium or the bootcamp. So all of us will have better idea of this online ventures. Shall we do it? Yes! Yes!